In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload ebook on Gumroad. By the end, you'll have your ebook listed, complete with a cover, price, description, and a download ready for customers. First, open your Gumroad dashboard. On the left sidebar, select Products. This is where all of your existing and future items live. Click New Product to start setting up a fresh listing. In the form that appears, give your product a clear, memorable name. This is what buyers will see first, so keep it concise and descriptive. Choose ebook as the product type so Gumroad treats your file as a digital download. Enter your price and then choose the currency that matches your audience or business needs. Don't stress too much here. You can always adjust pricing later. When that looks good, click. Next, customize to move into the product details. Now it's time to write your description. Aim for a short overview at the top and then explain what's inside, who it's for, and the results readers can expect. If your ebook includes bonuses like checklists or templates, mention them. Keep it scannable and benefits focused. Set your product URL by choosing a clean, readable slug. Short and relevant works best, and it helps when sharing the link. Add your cover image next by choosing a high-quality graphic that reflects your ebook's topic. After that, upload a thumbnail. This smaller image often appears in product grids and social previews, so make sure it looks great at a reduced size. Under product info, complete any fields available to you, such as category or tags. Accurate details here improve discoverability and help the right audience find your ebook. A concise tagline can also make your listing more compelling. Move to the content section and upload your file. Select computer, choose your ebook file, and click Open. PDF is the most common, but EPUB and other formats work too. Just make sure the file opens correctly and isn't unnecessarily large. If your ebook includes multiple files, consider bundling them in a single archive so buyers get everything in one download. Head to the receipt area to tailor the message customers see after purchase. A friendly thank you and a quick note on what to expect, like where to find updates or how to reach support, goes a long way. When everything looks right, click, publish, and continue. Your ebook is now live and ready to share. That's it. Your Gumroad listing is set up, polished, and ready for sales.